Hi, Innovators. Good to see you. Chad coming to you from my home where I'll be hanging out for quite a while. Unfortunately, I won't be able to be with you there at the Orbis Collaboration Space for a bit. I am quarantining due to being in close contact with someone that tested positive for COVID-19. So, unfortunate situation, but I want you to know I'm here for you. However I can support you, please let me know. One thing I do want to do as I support you is have meetings with teams. Even while I'm here, so we can just do some meetings over WebEx. I'm planning to schedule those out and communicate those meeting times with you through Hangouts. So please make sure you're checking your Hangouts regularly so you can get those times and put those on a weekly calendar or something for yourself so you can meet up with me. We can talk about your project. We can talk about your own individual development or the process you're going through. So just know I'm here for a resource. We've got those times that we'll meet, those scheduled ones, but you can meet with me anytime you want to. I'm going to put the link for my WebEx personal meeting room as an announcement on Canvas, so you can access it, of course, for your meeting times, but anytime you just want to drop in, feel free to try to get a hold of me that way or send me a Hangouts text message, and I'll be checking that regularly as well. I probably will also be doing some one-on-one meetings to meet with individuals, just kind of have you reflect on how things are going, strengths you have, areas for growth, and some goal setting time too, so we can communicate about feedback in that area. So, hey, I'll miss you. I wish I were there with you, but please know I'm here to support in any way I can. Take it easy on Joel, but he'll be there to support you, and so will I remotely. Thanks, everybody.